gift card and a GoPro, which, you know, nobody wants a GoPro now. Oh no, this button is really hard to hit. I gotta like slam it. It's gonna make it really difficult to play. See? It's gonna make it really difficult to play. Oh my god, I actually got it. No, I'm not playing that one again. Yeah, they need to get this button fixed or something because this is just junk. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe somebody kicked it because they're an idiot. Don't abuse arcade games, guys. This is why. Because then stuff like this doesn't work. So please stop abusing arcade games.